Hello everyone, I'm Magpiejay and welcome back to the Cute Five Nights at Freddy's series. Hopefully you've already seen part 1 where I made cute Freddy, but if not, I'll be showing you step by step how to make this cute little Chica out of polymer clay. This is the kind of clay I'll be using in this video, and it's a polymer clay, so it's oven bake, and here are the tools I'll be using, just a knife and a ball tool. So to start, I'm taking some yellow clay, and I just mixed yellow with translucent for this color. And I'm taking a little bit and rolling it into a ball for her head, and then after that I'm taking the exact same color and rolling that into a little teardrop shape for her body. Then I just stuck them together like this. Then I'm taking some more of that yellow and just rolling it into 3 little pieces. They almost look like rice, like the size of rice, for the feathers on the top of her head. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my eye pin. I'm doing this to make it into a charm, but this is totally optional, and I'm just putting it right in the top of her head. Next, I'm finally taking a different color of clay, and I'm just going to use some black and roll it into 2 little balls. Then, using my ball tool, I made 2 little indents in her face, and just put those pieces of black clay right in there for her eyes. Then I'm taking some orange clay. It looks kind of pink on camera here, but it is orange. And making her beak, so I'm just making a little triangle and I put it right in between her eyes. Then I'm using some white and just taking a small bit and putting it right on her stomach there for her bib. Then I'm using some more of that orange clay and rolling 2 equally sized balls for her feet, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some indents on each foot to make them look a little bit more like chicken feet. And next I'm taking more of the yellow we used for her body, and I'm actually going to make 2 of these little pieces here for her wings. And then we're going to go ahead and start to make the cupcake that's going to sit on her little wing here. So to do that, I'm taking this pink color clay for the icing and just rolling it into a little ball, and then I'm taking this brown color for the bottom and sticking those pieces together. I actually added some little eyes and a little candle as well. And then I went ahead and super glued this onto her little wing right there. I actually went and added some blush onto her as well, just to make her a little bit cuter. Then I went ahead and baked my charm, and this is the glaze I'm going to be using for her. And this is how she turned out after everything dried. I think she is super cute, just like the Freddy in the last video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I will be making Bonnie and Foxy. Those should be out really soon because I've already made Bonnie. Also make sure to check out my shop. I'll put that in the description below because I'll be listing some of these little guys, and I have a bunch of other cool stuff on there as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye guys!